everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of JDC Classes English. So as we know that people who have applied for AIMS CRE, that is Common Recruitment Examination form, now they can check the status of their application, whether it is accepted or rejected. Now based upon the application, if it is accepted, then you are eligible for different posts. But depending upon whether you have done degree in pharmacy or whether you have done diploma in pharmacy, you are eligible for different posts. And we are going to see in this video how the posts are varying for degree students and diploma students. So we will take the example of two application of the candidates, one candidate who has done degree in pharmacy and one candidate who has done diploma in pharmacy. So both the forms are accepted and we will see how their eligibility post is varying. So first of all, you have to visit the official website of AIMS CRE. After that, you will see Common Recruitment Examination. So click on CRE. Once again, you have to click on Common Recruitment Examination and view details. Then you will see advertisement, notification and login to apply. So first here I will tell you the example of the candidate who has done degree in pharmacy. So once you enter the login credential, that is mobile number and the password or ID and the password, you will see the screen. So the application status, so this is submitted and the application is accepted. If it is not accepted, they will write as rejected one here. So in this you will see there is a section for summary, then there is a section for edit application, raise query and check sub-post eligibility. So if you click on check sub-post eligibility, you will see for what post you are eligible. Now this is the form of the candidate who has done degree, that is bachelor's of pharmacy. So here you can see this candidate is eligible only for the two posts, that is Central Armed Police Force Institute of Medical Science and AIMS Delhi. So apart from these many AIMS, only AIMS New Delhi they are allowing for the students who have done bachelor's in pharmacy. And we will see the example of diploma in pharmacy candidate who has done diploma in pharmacy and for what post he or she is eligible, that we are going to see. So you have to see the same procedure. So this application is of the candidate who has done diploma in pharmacy. So here also you can see the application status is submitted and it is accepted. If it is not accepted in your case, then it will be written as rejected, but here it is accepted. Then we have summary, edit application, raise query and check sub-post eligibility. So once you click on check sub-post eligibility, you will see the all the posts. Now in the previously we have seen for the degree student only AIMS Delhi was allowing them, but for the diploma here you can see AIMS Bhopal is there, AIMS Jodhpur it is there. So various AIMS like New Delhi, Jodhpur, Raipur, Patna and other. So this candidate is eligible for all these posts, whereas a degree candidate was eligible only for the AIMS New Delhi. So likewise you can check the status of your application as well as the post you are eligible for. It will vary depending upon the degree students and the diploma students. So if you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section, and thank you for watching the video. We will see you all in the next video. So thank you so much.